All right, everybody, back to what I love here, guys. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Sport Coupe, guys. This one here, obviously, as you can see, the two-tone paint job. This one here under the hood, the cowl-induction hood, should I say. Some people say, well, the cowl-induction doesn't have the flapper door, but to me, the cowl-induction is with the bumped hood, okay? Some people disagree. But this one here has under the bulge hood, let's call it a bulge hood. Under the bulge hood, a custom built big block, making tons of power, 454 cubic inch motor. It's got an EFI system. It's backed up by a TH400 transmission, guys. Backing up the transmission, yes, 12 bolt rear end, yes, posi. I believe it's a 373 gear ratio in the back there. So moving forward, as you can see, this Chevelle is finished in a black silver scheme featuring a red border stripe that breaks up the two different colors there. This was acquired by the previous owner in 2023. The car has been upgraded with a replacement big block. Okay, it didn't come like that from day one. So this is a aftermarket V8 big block motor. Features a modern fuel injection system and some performance enhancements. It runs and drives great, guys, and we will be going for a ride today. So guys, we talked about the exterior a little bit. This one here has the SS grille and tail panel. The chrome bumpers are in nice condition. The wheels are called Ridler wheels. They are chrome, as you can see there. They are staggered. In the front, we got the 18-inch, and in the rear, we got the upgraded 20-inch, and that's what gives us this aggressive stance. Nexen NFera performance tires on the car. Under the hood, you also find power steering and power disc brakes. In 2024, some of the service that was included is the steering system was overhauled, new shocks, new sway bar, end links replacement, and front brake components were replaced. The interior on this Chevelle has black front bucket seats, rear bench, color key door panels, all blacked out as they should be. You got the traditional staple horseshoe-style shifter. You got a locking center console. This one here has a cassette stereo system. A few things under the hood. The heater core and blower fan has been replaced to get that working. This specific Chevelle has tilt steering wheel. It's got the 120 mile per hour speedometer. It's got the, and I'll show you as I progress inside the video. Under the dash, you have a triple gauge package that has been mounted. On the dash, we also mounted a tachometer. And as I said earlier, it does have the EFI electronic fuel injection system. This one is a Holley Sniper, and the controller is mounted right near the steering column, and I will show you that as I progress into the vehicle. Let's check quickly under the hood. Under the hood, as we spoke earlier, guys, this has the replacement 454 cubic inch motor. Obviously the fuel injection system, the aluminum Wyland intake manifold, upgraded with the MSD ignition system. It's got long tube headers, dual exhaust. When you see the pictures of underneath it, it will show the Flowmaster mufflers. Aluminum radiator upgraded up here with the electric cooling fans. And then as you can see there, guys, if you haven't, the hood hinges have been upgraded to the billet hood hinges, the CVFs. Radiator support cover and dipstick tube replaced in 2024. Water pump, ignition coil, fuel pressure regulator, fuel lines, spark plugs, all replaced in 2025. Okay. We talked about it being backed up by a TH400. It is built with a mild shift kit. It does have the 12-bolt rear end, once again, with the posi traction. The more and more that I'm around this car, I'm falling in love with it, guys. This Chevelle combines classic car styling with modern drivability upgrades, making it a beast street cruiser, ready to go, guys. A couple options that we offer here at MGM Classic Cars. We do have a full service department, and we will drive by there a little bit later. But the list of options that are available that can be rolled into your loan amounts is an air conditioning kit if you wanted one, okay? If you wanted front and rear LED lights, we can install those too. If you want ceramic coating to protect the protection of the paint, we have that as well. We can do electric cutoff systems where the sound of the motor comes right through the headers on an electric remote or whatever. We have that. You can tint your windows. We can do that. We can tint the windshield if you guys want to. We do offer wheel and tire packages. So if you want a different wheel, different offset, bigger tire, maybe the stock setup, I don't know, whatever you prefer, we have wheel and tire packages. One thing here on this one does have the front power disc brakes, but we could install the rear disc brakes as an upgrade into an option. And lastly, what we just started to do here at MGM is warranties. Warranties on muscle cars, guys. We do have them. Talk to your sales rep about that, guys. Just going down the list here, guys. We will be going through the turn signals, the headlights, the brake lights, wipers, so forth and so on. We checked all the fluids. Everything looked good as far as the fluids are concerned. Yeah, I think that's about it. Let's fire this thing up and go for a ride. Prior to that, we'll just do a quick walk around. As you can see, the bezels, the chrome looks good. It's not new, but it looks good. Grille looks great. Engine compartment looks sharp. A lot of power coming out of there, guys. Talked about CVF hood hinges. Expensive, nice on the car, as you can see there. Nice door panels. Inner outer jambs look solid. Black buckets. Tilt wheel. That's your RPM tech that we talked about. Nice steering wheel, nice dash. Headliner we're gonna tighten up. So I get my guy to come and tighten up the headliner, but it is in good condition. Got your rear seat there. Nice package tray with the 6x9s. LED light up on the dome. You do have seat belts in the front, okay? We talked about the center console and your JVC. All right, let's continue walking around. Nice glass on the car. Passenger side just as nice. All right. Well, let's get in this thing. So to fire up this car, because of the Holley ignition system, you would turn the key and you would wait for all that to load up, which is your screen. Okay. Just like that, everything loads up. Turn the key. That's it. Don't hit the throttle. Don't do anything. That's it. We'll let this warm up a little bit. So you got your headlights there, guys. As you can see on the black drapes there. Off, on. Your high beam, low beam. Okay. You got your tilt wheel, which is a nice feature. Wipers, they work. Your triple gauge package, all functions with great oil pressure. No horn, but I will fix it. Radio. Radio works. It is a cassette player. Your heat defrost turns on. You guys ready? Oh, I'm getting excited. Ready? Let's go. All right, seatbelt intact. So we're leaving showroom number 1. So this building here to your right, this big brown building, is MGM Classic Cars. To the right there, we have our own service department and our own detail shop. We do service our vehicles, we do detail our cars, we go through the vehicles. Now, I am not checking every nut and bolt. Don't think that I am. These are not perfect cars, guys, but they're very good cars. They run good, they drive good, they stop good, they look good. MGM Classic Cars here. This is the front of our building. There's our logo there. That's our entranceway. Okay? You guys got to be careful. There's a lot of scams going on. I don't want you guys to fall for a scam. So here you can buy with confidence, guys. This is why I take my time and go over the vehicle. Seems like the fuel gauge is functioning. The speedo works, so everything there does function. Left turn signal functions, right turn signal functions. So I will be fixing the horn. RPM tech works too. I'll do my normal routine here, guys. Really nice and smooth going down the road. I'm going to get a little heavy on the brakes here to see how the car stops. People usually freak out when I stop, but yep, this thing stops great. All right. It's got a lot of power. A lot of good power. Very smooth, guys, at 50 miles an hour. Handles good. Power steering feels great along with the brakes. Very comfortable, very easy to drive. These seats are comfortable too. got some real nice horsepower, very responsive on the throttle. You guys will have a blast with this car, guys. So listen, we're located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. We're 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport. If you guys wanted to fly in, check out the car yourself, not a problem. We do recommend it. If you need delivery, you're going to call, text, or email me your zip code. All right. For financing, if your score is like 640 and higher, you will need $6,000 down. But you can roll in all the options that I talked about earlier, and your sales tax and your delivery. Yes, you can roll in all of that into your loan amount. All you need is good credit, $6,000. All approvals are based off your credit profile. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to get the car up on the lift and take some pictures underneath and go from there. If you guys need any more information, please contact your sales representative. You can call or text to 847-848-1850. Text your zip code if you need a delivery quote. They can also talk to you a little bit about the list of options and pricing if you guys need it as well. And you can email to us as well on the website or directly at sales@mgmclassiccars.com. Guys, gals, thanks for watching. We own over 200 cars in stock that we own, guys. Stay away from consignments. Why you ask? Because they're overpriced. Check us out, mgmclassiccars.com.